Anigang. Hello, my name is Lulu.
I want to build a robot. A foot. 2 feet.
2 feet. 2 legs.
This is his tummy. This is its back.
An arm.
A hand. 2 arms. A neck.
A head.
A nose.
An eye.
2 eyes.
An ear.
2 ears.
This is its mouth.
Hello, my name is Robototo. I am a robot.
Wow! What's that?
It's a robot.
Hello, my name is Robototo. I am a robot.
Touch your tummy.
Wow! Touch your nose. Wow! Touch your ears.
Huh?
Wow! Touch your feet.
Ah.
Wow! I want a robot too. I want a robot dinosaur.
Ah.
Okay.
Yay!
Goodbye.